Today's top news, 21st February. The Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan has launched the intensified mission Indradhanush 3.0. The IMI 3.0 initiative was launched by central government in order to provide immunization to pregnant women and children free of cost in India. The first round will start from February 22nd, while the second phase will start from March 22nd. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Assam and West Bengal on 22nd February at around 11:30 am. Prime Minister will dedicate to nation the important projects of oil and gas sector in an event organized at Silapathar in Dhemaji, Assam. He will also inaugurate the lay foundation stone of engineering colleges during the event. Around 4:30 pm, Prime Minister will dedicate the nation and inaugurate several railway projects in Hungary, West Bengal. The northeastern states of Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram observed their statehood. Both the states received their statehood on February 20, 1987. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu called upon the people, particularly the youth, to adopt healthy lifestyle and avoid sedentary living and junk food in the view of growing incidence of non-communicable diseases in the country. Addressing the scientists, the Center of DNA Fingerprinting and Diagnostics, after visiting its facilities in Hyderabad. The Union Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Prakash Javadekar, inaugurated Atal Paryavaran Bhavan at Lakshadweep on February 19, 2021. The Union Minister of State for External Affairs, V. Muralidharan, has launched a new scheme that integrates the passport services with the DigiLocker. With the launch of this scheme, the passport application in India has now been made even easier. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will today meet leaders of farmer unions protesting against 3 central laws. His Aam Aadmi Party has been a strong supporter of the protest that has seen thousands from Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and other states park themselves at various points along Delhi's border. The Sharawi bail plea, court reserves order till Tuesday. Police assert Khalistani link aimed the ongoing toolkit probe by the Delhi police. Patiala House Court on Saturday reserved its order on the climate activist Sharawi bail plea till Tuesday. The 21-year-old Bangalore activist, who was arrested by police in connection to the toolkit document which allegedly led to the Republic Day violence, as claimed by Delhi police, is currently in judicial custody till Monday. LPG cylinder delivery personnel cannot overcharge customers. The Madras High Court on Friday agreed with the public interest litigant that domestic LPG cylinder delivery personnel cannot fleece customers by demanding a fixed amount of money towards tips. However, the court impressed upon the necessity for customers to reflect on the way in which delivery personnel were treated with utter disregard for dignity of labor. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, who attended the last day of 3-day defense panel meeting to examine the defense ministry demand for grants, also wanted to know why the budget for defense pension was reduced. Bollywood actor Anu Kapoor turned 65 on Saturday. Ayushmann Khurrana took his Instagram handle to wish the legend. Thank you, and that's all for today.